Imagine a world where every child, regardless of their background or circumstances, has equal access to quality education. Unfortunately, this is not the reality today. We live in a world where disparities in education persist, creating unequal opportunities for success. These disparities are the result of various barriers that limit access to education. Poverty is a significant factor, with economic inequality and limited resources making it difficult for many children to get the education they deserve. Discrimination too plays a role, with certain groups often marginalized and excluded from educational opportunities. Conflict is another barrier, with children in conflict zones often missing out on education due to safety concerns or displacement. Gender disparities are also prevalent, especially in parts of the world where cultural and social norms hinder girls' access to education. These barriers are not just obstacles to education. They are obstacles to progress, social mobility, and personal growth. With these barriers in place, the dream of equal education remains just that, a dream. It's not just about going to school. The impact of education disparities extends far beyond the classroom. When we peel back the layers of education disparities, we find far-reaching consequences. They're not just roadblocks to learning, they're obstacles to escaping poverty. Without an equal chance at education, individuals are left trapped in a cycle of poverty with restricted paths to climb the social ladder. But the consequences don't stop at personal growth. These disparities further widen the gap of social and economic inequality. They create a chasm between those who have access to a quality education and those who don't, leading to a stratified society where opportunities aren't equally distributed. And it's not just about economic inequality. Education disparities cultivate a social landscape where marginalized communities remain marginalized, their voices unheard, and their potential untapped. In the grand scheme of things, these disparities are not just hurdles for individuals, but for the progress of our societies. They hinder our collective advancement, and by doing so, shape the future of our world. Education disparities don't just affect individuals, they shape our societies and our future. So, what can we do to bridge this education gap? The answer lies in a multifaceted approach, one that involves everyone from international bodies to local communities. Let's start with international initiatives. These aim to create a global framework for inclusive and equitable quality education. They recognize the need for education to be a collective responsibility, not just of individual nations. Next, we have government policies. Governments have a crucial role in ensuring access to education for all, engaging in reforms that tackle discrimination, and providing adequate resources. It's about making education a priority on the national agenda. Nonprofit organizations also play a vital role. They work tirelessly on the ground, facilitating access to education in places where it's most needed. These organizations often provide scholarships and financial aid, making education possible for those who couldn't otherwise afford it. And we can't forget about the power of technology. It has the potential to democratize access to education, breaking down geographical barriers, and bringing learning to the fingertips of millions. Lastly, let's talk about you and me, the individuals and communities. We have the power to advocate for education, to empower ourselves and others, to insist on quality and equality in our schools. Bridging the education gap is more than a goal. It's a necessity for a better future. Education is a powerful tool. It can open doors, break barriers, and create opportunities. But for too many, the key to this tool remains out of reach due to persistent disparities in education. These disparities, driven by poverty, discrimination, and conflict, limit opportunities for success and perpetuate cycles of poverty and inequality. Addressing these disparities is not just a matter of fairness. It's a catalyst for social and economic progress. It's about creating a world where every child, regardless of their circumstances, has the chance to reach their full potential. And this is not a mission for governments or NGOs alone. Each one of us has a role to play. Whether it's through advocacy, volunteering, or supporting initiatives that promote equal education opportunities, we can all contribute to bridging this education gap. The path to a more equal world begins with education. By investing in education and working together, we can bridge the education gap. And in doing so, we pave the way for a better, more equal future.